Creating mock-up for your apparel brand shouldn't take hours, but the truth of the matter is that that's exactly what it takes, right? So imagine trying to do a collection of 24 pieces for Easter or a collection of 100, and you have to go in Photoshop and tweak each one of those every single time. That right there is chaotic, and I understand because that's exactly how my process was until EasyMockup.app was developed. Okay, so EasyMockup.app, you can see right here, still wasting hours creating mockups. You can literally create 500 plus professional apparel mockup in minutes. So you can come up here and check out the pricing. There's two pricing models. All right, simple pricing, no confusion. You have a $9 a month. Okay, and over here you would get the batch generation, right? You can generate from one to many. And then you have the yearly. The yearly is just $79. This is for my professionals that are really serious about their apparel business, about their Etsy business, and they're looking for a way to just scale faster and not spend all that overwhelming time in Photoshop resizing and distorting their design. Looking for a shortcut for your professional product, Easy Mockup is where you need to be. So this was built for apparel decorators, right? Because myself, as an apparel decorator for years, I understand the struggles, and I just needed a tool to make things much easier. I just want to get my listing up much faster, okay? So if you are the same way and you just want an easier way to create mockups without having to distort, I want you to go up here, choose your plan, sign in. So I'm going to come up here and sign into my account for you. You might have to create an account. So there's multiple ways to sign up. You can sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with what we call a magic link. So magic link are for my people that just lose their passwords all the time. So magic link, you just put in your email right here for the magic link, and then you would get a link sent over to you every time you want to log in. All right, so I'm logged into the system right now. When you're in, this is the back end. This is where you actually create your mockups at. Yours may look different from mine because I have under the admin view, but the only thing that's different here is just that it says admin here. And for you, it would say something like batch, and then you'll see the past jobs. So for past generations, all right, this is my past generation. I can go through some of these and you can see over here, it tells me the batch date. That was just earlier today. We're able to generate 336 mockups in just 34 minutes. Okay, and this was all automated. I did not have to sit here and move the mouse and distort and none of that. Okay, so all of the mockups are there. Let's go all the way down. This was the one yesterday. We did 696 mockups right here. 696 mockups. Took us 45 minutes and 47 seconds. Once you get your mockups, everything generated, you will see it here. It's still loading right now because this is all based in your browser. And then you can hit the zip file right here and you'll see your generation. So on this one here, we did 18. Oh my goodness. We did 18 total mockups. You can see, and those 18 mockups took us 1 minute and 16 seconds. Let's check out the mockups right here. So this is what your mockups look like. Clean, perfect placement every time. It's already been sized. You don't have to distort. You don't have to reset. None of that. Everything is already perfectly placed, just how it's supposed to be. All right, your left chest. Everything is perfectly placed. Again, 18 mockups in just 1 minute. So let's go ahead and create our own. I'm gonna come up here, right? Do a new batch. This is where you're gonna bring in your logos. I'm gonna do something simple here, right? I'm gonna do a few logos here. Let's do, okay? So let's say I wanna do these 5 right here, right? You can do more, but I'm just gonna keep it 5. I got 5 designs in here. And then you're going to choose the templates. So the templates is going to be your garment type. We've already built in templates here and templates garments. There's more that would be added to the category as time goes, right? So let me know in the comments what type of templates do you want to see. Is it boxy? Is it shorts? Is it, right, joggers? What is it that you want to see? Even from the people that sell mugs, tumblers, hats. just comment down below what type of templates should we add in here so you can get your process automated. Okay, so I'm gonna come up here. I just want to do some hoodies, so I'm just click on some hoodies here. Click on the hoodie tab. All right, so the way this works, you can see it says hoodie black, that's the back. There's the two backs, then you got your front, but then the front placements is left chest, full front, right? And then same thing for everything else. So you can see all the different placements. So I'm just going to select all of these. All right, so now you can see because we have 6 mock-ups, all right, and we're doing 25 designs, we're now going to be able to do 30 different mock-ups with this batch right here. So that's it. All I got to do right now is just click on generate. And once I click on generate, EasyMockup now is going to take that and it's going to start our generation. And we'll be able to see in real time how long it actually takes to generate these 30 logos. See that it started? The first one is popping up right now, and it took 7 seconds to do the first design, right? 7 seconds per mock-up is crazy. Imagine how much time you can save. So you can see this first one is done. We got our left chest. Boom, perfect placement. You got your back, perfect placement. And we have the front, right? So that's how it is set up right now. Left chest, full front, full back. And now all of these is going to render here. We have 8 of them done right now in 40 seconds. And we're doing 30 for this batch. So let's see how long it's going to take us to generate and create 30 high quality mock-ups without even using any Photoshop, without distorting or resizing anything, using EasyMockup. Like if you can just look at them, right? It's like these hoodies, amazing boxy style hoodies right here. And again, let us know what other styles you would want to see. Like I can wear it like this right here is nice, right? Like the grave could not hold him. The design is placed perfectly. There's textures from the garment in there. It's not one of those fake mock-ups where it looks like the design is just sitting on it. We have 20 generated already, right? 10 more to go. We're less than 2 minutes for those 20 mock-ups. Okay, ooh, that design there is tough. This is like ready to post right now. You can literally, once you download these, you will see them, and then you can add them right to your site, your Etsy page, wherever you're selling at online. I like the fact that we have a timer right here too. Tells us exactly how long of production time it is. This is good information. So when you really start to charge, right, you know exactly how long it's taking you to do this. So that timer there was a must for me to add in. So we got 2 more to go. 29, 30. All right, 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 2 minutes and 35 seconds for us to get this complete tab right here, right? So ooh, that's amazing, man. Like, let's check out some of these. You can see the placement right here. Perfect, right underneath that hood. It's not floating on top of the hood. You understand? Like, we put some effort in really making sure this is perfect and laid out, right? It didn't start here. It took a lot of tweaking, but I'm super satisfied with what this looks like right now. The placement, like, look at that left chest. Oh, perfect. Okay, so now this is done. We can come up here on the top, download zip. You just click that, and now these designs generating your zip, and you'll have this in on your computer, so you can start actually posting them on your feed. Okay, my zip is done right here. Let me double check this. Okay, here's our folder. Like, imagine having a list of like imagine your workflow now, right? Much easier. You got the naming convention there, whatever the name of that file was, hoodie, and then back. It's all easy for you to just go ahead and post. Check out a pocket. Nice pocket design right there. And another pocket right here. So these are amazing. Again, I'm going to leave the link to Easy Mockup down below so you can start saving time, making more money when it comes to creating your mockup. And also let me know down below what other mockups would you like to see in Easy Mockup, okay? EasyMockup.app is where you want to be. If you're watching this on social media somewhere, use YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, just comment mockup down below and I'll send you the link for Easy Mockup, all right? Share this with somebody else, man. Don't be selfish. Don't be a gatekeeper. Someone else needs this and you got to be the one to send it to them, all right? Share this video. I'll see you in the next one.